Poetry is about form. Is it about perfectly timed rhymes and sonnets? Does it sing to porcelain mannequins strutting around in bonnets while I stretch my darkness over a form of history, building itself into a calamity of a storm? An imminent hurricane which screams that this is no sudden tragedy, no sudden phenomenon loosely unleashing its brutality on first world ideology. One piece of a sick game telling us that all the isms are the same. That capitalism, sexism, racism, feminism, socialism, racial equality now tied to socialism and terrorism are destroying the world. As opposed to blind obsession with wealth, the nation, and nuclear proliferation. Yeah, poetry is about form. A form too many assume to be lazy. Lazy pronouncements wailing from behind the walls of inner lives while the whole world goes crazy. Thank you.
Wow. Amazing.